Hi there, Simon Coulson here, founder of the Internet Business School. Now, I've been digital marketer for many, many years. I've shared the stage around the world with people like Richard Branson, Tony Robbins, Lord Alan Sugar, Bob Proctor, Brian Tracy, all these gurus, and I've become an international keynote speaker on all things digital marketing. But really in the last couple of years, I've focused all my attention on AI because it's been a complete game changer. And what I'd love you to do is join me on my brand new 3-day AI Freedom Challenge. What we're going to do is over 3 days teach you 10 different strategies for making money online using AI. And as well as getting 3 days training from me, you're also going to get some incredible bonuses. You're going to get my AI tool directory, all the tools that I covered during the 3 days, but also some other cool tools as well that I've spent the last couple of years experimenting and using. So you're going to get that. You're going to get my prompt power pack, which is some specific prompts that I'm using to get incredible results from LLM, large language model AI tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini. You're also going to be able to get access to the replays of the challenge live webinars for 24 hours. So if you can't make the live webinar time, then you've got a day to play catch up and actually watch that online as well. And also during the challenge, we're going to be running an AI Facebook community. Okay, so you're going to get access to that as well. So it's an incredible access to me, to 3 days training, to the latest strategies. As I said, I've immersed myself in AI for the last couple of years. And you can get all of that for just $19. So if you'd like to join on board, then please complete the link at the end of this page and I'll see you on the challenge.